Nai gadi, nai soch electric versus petrol. Ajkal, everyone is talking about electric cars, right? Petrol cars have been our buddies for years. But now, electric cars are becoming popular. Why? Kyonki, they are good for the planet. They don't produce smoke like petrol cars. Tezya steady, performance check. Electric cars are very fast off the line. They zoom ahead quickly. Petrol cars can be fast too, but they accelerate slower. Electric cars are also very smooth to drive. No engine noise, only peace. Paisa Vasul, let's talk money. Electric cars cost more to buy initially. Ziada Karcha, you might say. But wait, they are cheaper to run. Electricity is cheaper than petrol. Also, electric cars need less maintenance. No oil changes, yay? Green signal or red flag, environment and you. This is where electric cars win big time. They don't produce any pollution when you drive them. Petrol cars release harmful smoke. Aapki choice, Kaya Hai, choosing your ride. So, which car is best for you? Electric cars are perfect if you care about the environment and want a smooth, quiet drive, but if you travel long distances frequently, a petrol car might be more practical for now. Charging stations are still limited. Think about your needs and choose wisely.